Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you where I think the Bitcoin price is going to be heading in 2021. In this video I am going to be using TradingView to show the charts. You can sign up on TradingView, link in the description. It is totally free. Now let's jump in the charts. Right now I am on the weekly time frame. Every candle here is represented by 1 week, and I'm on the Bitcoin USD chart. That means this is Bitcoin compared to US dollars. Alright, about 6 months ago, around June of 2020, I made a video predicting where Bitcoin is going to be by the end of 2020. If you go to my channel, you're going to see that video. Now this is the video right here. I made a video on where I think Bitcoin is going to go to by the end of 2020. Now let's play the video. But for me, in what I see in the chart, there is going to be a big move coming very soon. We're talking in the next week. I believe the price is going to break this downward sloping resistance, and from there onward in the next coming months we are going to see a price surge to $26,500, and that is like a 166% gain to the upside. Now if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see, that is the video. Right now let's go back to the current price action. I made that video when Bitcoin was around $9,000, right around this region. And as you can see, before the end of this year, Bitcoin has already reached my target of $26,500. Right now we are well above $28,000. Today right now is the 30th of December 2020. As you can see, I predicted it well, and it happened exactly how it was meant to be. This is not magic or anything. Now this is good technical analysis I'm about to show you right now. I am going to show you where I think Bitcoin is heading in 2021. For me to show you that, I have drawn a line that goes back in history of the Bitcoin price. As you can see, this line extends all the way since January 2013. This line has been an important trend line in the Bitcoin price. Let me analyze this chart for you with this line. As you can see, every time Bitcoin breaks this line, the price surges up in a parabolic manner, as you can see, every time. And when it breaks down this line, we enter a downtrend. But when we break up the line, we go up parabolic. This is a line that I picked up when I was reading the chart. So let's go back to the recent price trend. In the recent price trend, as you can see, we are almost reaching the line. The line above us is around $34,000. That means when Bitcoin breaks this line right here, the price is going to go extremely parabolic. One thing you need to know is that the price can touch this line, then get rejected. That means it can go up right here, get rejected, come back down before having another leg to the upside. Now let me show you the percentage gain if Bitcoin were to break this line. I'll show you the percentage gain of where it is going to be heading in the nearest future. Now let's go back in price history. As you can see, the first time Bitcoin broke this line, it went up from this point about 390% to the upside. Now let's go forward. When it broke this line right here, it went up at about 400% to the upside. As you can see, very massive move. We are going to play with the idea right now that when Bitcoin breaks this yellow line, it is going to go another 400% to the upside. Now we'll start from here. As you can see, 400% to the upside would put Bitcoin at over $100,000 by the end of next year. I am going to show you how I calculate the date range. Now as you can see, I've already placed a line right here telling us where I think the Bitcoin price is going to break this yellow line right here. When the Bitcoin price breaks this line, this yellow line right here, there's going to be a massive surge to the upside. I calculated the date range from this last downtrend all the way to when it started the uptrend. Now as you can see, it's 150 bars. Then I placed it right at the beginning of this downtrend. As you can see, this placed the price right around this area. That means around May of 2021 we should have broken this price trend, and when we do break this price trend, the Bitcoin price is going to have a parabolic run to the upside. If you enjoy this kind of content, please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it if you do, and try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make content like this every single time. In my next video, I am going to make an Ethereum price prediction. Now this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.